play with this. And this is all the joints that you could do things like this. You don't have to, just because this is flat here and this intersects right here, what do you want to do with this? You could have hard edges, which this is a hard edge right here. And then this right here would be a soft edge, where it's just all the way over. And so come by, take a look at this, and look, and you'll see that, it's pretty consistent for the most part, but you'll notice the shape out here is not consistent with the shape right here. So like this center section right here is pretty consistent. Out here it kind of changes right here. So I might want to work that a little bit more. It's not quite the same here as I'm looking at it, so I might want to take a little bit more material off of there and go from there. And it's just something you gotta look at. But since this is round one, as I was telling, I've been stewing on this for 30 years, and things are starting to, appear that definitely didn't appear when I was standing where you guys were standing. And so, things that look obvious. I look at that chair now, and it's like, oh, that makes sense. Yeah, why wouldn't you do it like that? Because, and now I come over here and I'm like, oh, okay, let's go wrap some more material off of here, and clean that up. So I want to glue this up. Notice how well this worked. This was my nice cut off. What I also thought about, if you didn't quite trim the back so much and you had that little ledge where the tenon was sticking out and you had the notch from your hole, that would be a nice place to locate her. It would help. But I just found a clamp. Usually I just stick tape on there, and that worked pretty good. I wish I was actually gluing up on this side, because this would be the nice side. This was the one with the screws. I still haven't figured out how I'm going to get these out. Most likely it's going to be either I'm going to give up on it and it'll be like that chair that sits around forever, or it'll be I'll get a drill out and I'm going to just take the smallest drill that I can possibly get and just try to drill as in line as I can get for maybe a ½ an inch in there, and then just kind of work my way till I drill out the center section of the threads, and this whole thing just pops off. We'll see.
Why are they not unscrewing?
Because I had this great idea.